Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a manual scale of your points. Let's say you forgot to add a scale factor or something like that. Well, you can use the Translate Rotate Scale tool to make sure that this is correct for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm on my map screen here, and I'm going to click on the calculator in the bottom right corner to open up my calculations menu, and I'm going to select the Translate Rotate Scale tool. Within this menu here, I'm going to click on Manually Entered. This is going to allow me to manually enter my parameters, and what I can do is I can either select a couple of points by just manually selecting them. So let's say I want to select base point 15, or what I can do is I can click on the three dots here and click on Select All, as I actually want to scale all of my points based on this. So once I have them all selected here, I click on Next, review my selection, and click Next. And now what I'm going to do, as I said, is I want to do a scale. So I'm going to select the Scale tool at the top of the menu here, where I'm going to have my method as user entered, and I need to select a scale base point. So I'm going to select base point 15 and make it easy on myself here. And I'm going to enter a scale factor that's really dramatic so we can see the effect here. So I'm going to use a scale factor of 0.5 and click on Next. And what we should see after I click on Store here is that point number 6 has moved quite a bit closer to base point 15 with this scale factor in effect. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you do a manual scaling of your points inside of FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making all of these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.